Rehydion Gel is an oral electrolyte used to support digestive upsets in dairy and beef calves. It's a unique product in that it doesn't interfere with the clotting mechanism of the calf's stomach. Therefore, it can be used with milk or milk replacer. Rehydion Gel contains electrolytes, alkalizing agents, and glucose as an energy source, meaning that you don't need to take your calf off the milk and you can continue to feed him. Research recommends the continuous feeding of milk when calves have a digestive upset. Therefore, Rehydion is the ideal complement. The bottle comes with an easy-to-use measuring cap. Simply squeeze the bottle to get the required dose and pour into your milk or milk replacer, or alternatively, you can feed it to the calf neat. One of the advantages in terms of treating suckler calves is that you do not need to remove the calf from the cow. You can feed Rehydion neat to the suckler calf. Rehydion Gel is available in all good agri and veterinary outlets. Rehydion, add it to the right stuff.